Hi, come with me to rescue my little Lowe's Monstera. I bought this at Lowe's. I'm just gonna repot her, kind of see how many plants we have and kind of go from there. I know there's at least 3 that I can, clearly identify. Oh, and she is very much root bound. So I am going to kind of just break up as much as I can for now, kind of see what I can take off. I know the soil is pretty well draining, but it's not, very high quality. But yeah, she is very, very root bound. I am gonna go rinse these and be back. Obviously she's doing well. She has not 1, not 2, but 3 points of new growth, which I am super happy about. A very nice amount of aerial roots, and she's kind of all facing the same direction. I don't think I'm gonna water her because I blasted her roots with water trying to see what I was working with. Yeah, she's doing very well. Super excited just to kind of document how big she's gonna get and how much she's definitely gonna grow. I don't want to pack it down too much, kind of just enough to keep her happy and up. She's already a little droopy because I wasn't watering her every week. And if you have any tips and tricks for a new plant owner, please by all means let me know, especially with fungus gnats. I've been losing that battle for sure. Definitely maintaining, and here she is, still in the same pot, but she's definitely all facing the same direction. But yeah, she seems happy, she seems healthy. She just pushed out this new fenestrated leaf, which I was super excited about. I think maybe it got pinched while she was in the store. She definitely has that little mark on her, but her first fenestration. I'm excited to see how the other ones turn out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay with me to help document her journey. She's doing good, doing great, and I will see you next time.